TechMed model number 4352 Mayo instrument stand. The first step in assembly is to remove the threaded bolt and lock washer from the lower stand rod as shown. Note a listing of the parts is on the assembly instructions. The second step is to insert the lower stand rod into the collar of the U-shaped base with casters. Now you can insert and thread the threaded bolt and lock washer into the lower stand rod. Tighten the bolt with the wrench provided until it is firmly tightened, as shown. Now place the base flat on the surface that you're doing the assembly on, and place the upper stand rod into the lower stand rod and insert the black height adjustment knob into the lower stand rod as shown. This will allow the tray top to be raised or lowered to the desired height. The fourth step, first remove the protective end cap from the tray rack arm. Now remove the O-ring from the expansion connector and discard it. Use the Allen wrench to expand the expansion connector slightly. This will help keep the connector from sliding down the upper or lower stand rods while you're doing the assembly. Once this has been done, as shown, place it into the upper rod until the small pin lines up, and then do the same with the upper rod. Use the Allen wrench to tighten and expand the expansion connector until it is completely expanded and tightened. Insert the stainless steel tray into the tray rack arm, and the instrument stand is ready for use.